Hello, welcome to Mumford Restoration. You can see our videos on our YouTube channel or at mumfordrestoration.com. We wanted to show you this piece today. This is a handmade piece by the customer's grandfather. There's actually a plaque with the grandfather's name on it saying he made it in 1955. So it is made with a walnut veneer. It was all delaminated before. It had sat in a not climate controlled area, which made a lot of the veneer peel off of the substrate and was in pretty rough shape. So we've totally refinished the whole thing, sanded everything down. This is an American walnut stain, which really kind of highlights the grain. And beautiful piece. It's a wardrobe, so it has a lot of shelves inside, a lot of drawers for keeping watches and shoes and socks and so forth in. And so it's a beautiful piece, and we'll be going out for delivery soon.